A very good morning, children. In the moral science class, we did lesson number 3 earlier, burger belly. Well, this page 15 number we have already read. You can read again and revise the story which is written in this lesson. Okay, now we will continue from page number 16. Sam was dreaming, and in his dream, he was seeing that he had eaten a lot of burgers, junk food, and his tummy has become like a burger, like a Santa Claus tummy. So suddenly Sam woke up and ran to the bathroom mirror to check his tummy. Tummy is a stomach. Phew, when he saw in the mirror, phew, it had all been a dream. Then he realized that his tummy is not yet out and he was dreaming. It was not reality. He was dreaming that his tummy has become like a Santa Claus. He has taken lot of burgers. That is why. Now, next Sunday, Sam and John met at the restaurant. Restaurant is a place where we go and we eat nice, delicious, tasty food. So they met at the restaurant, but something strange happened. What happened strange? Before entering, on the gate, on the door, Sam stopped at the door and said, "John, I don't want a burger today. If we keep on eating so many burgers, I will become fat or sick." Now he has recalled his dream. Whatever he had seen in his dream, he had recalled that, and then he said, No. We will not have a burger. Every day we are not going to have, because if we will have like this, we will become fat or sick. So can we have a salad, John? Salad is a salad which we eat with the meals, with the lunch and dinner. So when John heard this, he was surprised. He asked, "So we are never going to eat burgers again?" "So, Sam, are we not going to eat burgers again? We will have everyday salads only." Then Sam said, "Of course, we are. All I am trying to say is that we should eat salads more than burgers," said Sam. That we should eat more salads than burgers. We should eat burgers, but not very often, not now and then, after few days, after few months. But every day we should eat salads and be healthy. Yes, now John said, "Yes, you are right. Let us get a nice salad." Then they had ordered nice salad in the restaurant. Then replied John with a smile, "Yes, you are right. Let us get a nice salad." Then replied John with a smile. John said, "Let us order for a salad." Now this was the story, children. And I hope you have liked the story. Now it's time to do some of the text work. Now here it has some of the words are given and their meanings are given. Let's read and learn also. Fast food. What is fast food? Fast food is cooked food sold as quick meal. It is a very quick meal means we can prepare it very quickly. Fast food we can prepare very quickly. It does not take much time. We can prepare it very quickly and we can eat, and it is tasty also. So fast food is cooked food sold as quick meal. We say it a fast food, like Maggi. We can make Maggi in 2 minutes. We can make burgers very quickly. We can make pastas very quickly, pizzas very quickly. They do not take much time. So these are all fast food, because they are prepared very quickly. Aching means sharp pain. Aching means sharp pain. Very strong pain is called aching. Restaurant is a place where people sit and eat cooked meals. Strange means surprising, not known earlier. Very surprising is called strange. So here are the question answers. You have to answer the following questions in short. You have to answer the questions in short. Now, what did Sam and John eat every week? What did Sam and John eat every week? Fast food? Yes. You will write only fast food in short. In his dream, Sam had a belly like whom? Belly is a stomach, center place where there is a hole in your stomach in the center. That is your belly. In his dream, Sam had a belly like whom? Santa Claus. Santa Claus. That's all. That's all you have to write. If Sam kept eating the burgers, what would happen to him? If Sam kept eating the burgers, what would have happened to him? Fell sick. He fell sick. Why should you have vegetables more than fast food? Vegetables and salads, both, for good health. Why should you have vegetables more than fast food? For good health. Here are some food items. Fill your plate with what you think is healthy. Here are few things, few food items. You have to choose them and put it in your plate, the healthy food only. You have to put the healthy food. Pineapple, yes. Finger chips, no. Milk, yes. Carrot, yes. Candies, no. Strawberries, yes. Juice, yes. Pizza, no. And this Maggi, no. This is, I think, Maggi. And this sausages, chicken sausages or something. Yes, you can have that. Okay. I feel it is, or maybe nuts. Okay. So you can have this. So whatever healthy you draw here in your plate. Next exercise is take the correct option and fill in the blanks. Eating too much fast food make us sick. So put the tick mark in sick. Weak, sick, wealthy or healthy? Nothing. Sick. Eating too much fast food make us sick. No weak, no healthy, no wealthy. What should you drink every morning to grow healthy and strong? Cold drink? No. Tea? No. Milk? Yes. Coffee? No. Milk? Yes. What should you drink every morning to grow healthy and strong? Milk. Fast food is unhealthy because it has more oil? Yes. No water? It has more water? No. It has more taste? No. It has more salt? No. It has more oil. So write here oil and put a tick mark on oil. This is your homework, children. There are some meals written in breakfast, lunch and dinner. You have to put a circle on the food which you eat in breakfast, circle on the food which you eat in lunch, circle on the food which you eat in dinner. Milk, bread, banana, apple, cornflakes, butter jam, egg, oats, chapati, green vegetable, dal, rice, curd, paneer, meat, chicken, fish. Chapati, green vegetable, dal, rice, curd, salad, paneer, meat, chicken, fish. Okay, come to the next page, 19. Here is one question. Do you eat some cooked food happily? Write the names of 3 dishes cooked by your mother which you enjoy. So, do you like to eat cooked food happily which your mother cooks? Yes. No? Your mother cooks nice, tasty dal, rice, veggies, chapatis, so many non-veg dishes. So your mother cooks nice things, you enjoy those meals, you write here. I have written vegetables, rice, dal, chapatis. My mother doesn't cook for me. I cook for myself for me. Okay. Nobody is there to cook for me, but your mother is there to cook for you. Nice, tasty food. Join the dots and complete the picture of this fruit basket. Join all the dots, make a picture and color the picture very nicely, beautifully with different colored crayons. Okay. Now what is the moral of the story? The moral of the lesson is to grow healthy and strong, eat fresh and green vegetables. Lesson for life is to grow healthy and strong, eat fresh and green vegetables. Learn this moral. Okay. Do the work. We will meet in the next moral science class. with the next lesson. Okay, we will read next lesson and we will do exercises. Bye bye.